In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching voice recorder app, and if you never used it before, selecting while using and allow in the pop-ups. Now click on those three lines on the left. Click on this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those options however you wish to, like quality. When you're ready, go back. And to start recording, click on this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this middle button. To add a bookmark, click on this icon at the top on the right. And to listen to it right away, pause it, swipe it, and click on play button on the left. To end it and save it though, click on this square on the right. Then name your recording however you want to and select save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To delete it, you need to hold it instead. Click on delete icon at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!